Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the website us.secureinternetcheck.com. Some people see these strange pop-ups by secureinternetcheck.com. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are absolutely fake and you shouldn't interact with them. Such pop-ups are totally deceptive. They claim that your computer is infected with some malware, and the real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So these pop-ups by secureinternetcheck.com are not decent security alerts. Do not ever trust them. You need to close all these deceptive pages that may be in your Google Chrome browser. These pop-ups, once again, are fake security alerts. Don't trust them. Just leave this page. What I recommend you to do is researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then begin investigating the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.